What? Oh, fun. Hello, I'm Alex Trebek.
Hello and welcome to Jeopardy! I'm Peter Ulrich, and before we get started, let's meet our contestants here.
I'm Cheyenne Lindsay. I'm a senior here at Eastern. I've been going here for 4 years, and I play soccer and tennis.
Well, I'm Thomas Lynch. I'm a senior. I'm going here also for 4 years. I play football, wrestling, and baseball. Yeah.
I'm Brittany Gilbert, and I'm a senior here, and I play soccer, and I've played for 4 years.
All right, now that we met our contestants, let's play Jeopardy!
This is Jeopardy! Today's Jeopardy categories are...
All right, we have Shakespeare, bird, fish, or mammal, states, best pictures, a good category, and finally we have before and after. Now Cheyenne was picked first, so please.
I'll
select the
have
category.
Shakespeare for 200, please.
The play that features a feud between the Montagues and the Capulets. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Romeo and Juliet?
And that is correct. You now control the board. Select the
Can I
category.
get Shakespeare for 600, please?
The title character in Shakespeare's shortest play. And that is Macbeth. Who is Macbeth?
Oh, that
What is?
makes sense. Okay, can I get Shakespeare for 400, please?
The character who is stabbed by Hamlet while hiding behind the arras. And that is Polonius. Who is Polonius?
Oh. Can I get states for 400, please?
Yeah, my category.
The state with the lowest population. Yes, Thomas.
What is Rhode Island?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
What
Cheyenne.
is Alaska?
That is also incorrect.
Oh.
I'm sorry. It is, what is Wyoming?
Oh.
All right, Cheyenne, you continue to control the board.
Can I get best picture for 200, please?
Yes. All right. The only Lord of the Rings movie to win the award. Yes, Thomas.
What is Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King?
And that is correct. You now control the board.
Oh,
I will pick Best Picture for 400, please.
The first sequel to win the award. All right, and that would be the classic, What is The Godfather 2?
Ooh.
Oh.
And Thomas, you continue to control the board.
I'll take States for 200. Trebek.
Nicknamed the Bluegrass State, it was the 15th state to join the Union.
What is Kentucky?
That is correct. All right, Cheyenne, you control the board. And currently we have the score. Cheyenne and Brittany are both locked at 0. And Thomas is trailing with negative 200 points. And Cheyenne, you control the board.
Can I get states for 600, please?
Ooh, you have the daily double. All right, you can wager up to 1,000 points, I believe.
I'll take 400, please. Actually, 200, please.
200 points. This is the only state to border 2 oceans. Yes.
Oh, I just go. Okay.
Yeah.
What is Florida?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The answer is, what is Alaska?
Oh, that
Alaska
makes
borders
sense.
the Arctic Ocean and the Pacific.
Oops.
Hey, good job.
All right, but you continue to control the board.
What is states for 100, please?
In the film 1776, the representative from the state abstained courteously in every vote.
Huh?
We watch this one.
I know.
Yes, Thomas.
What is North Carolina?
No, I'm sorry.
It's New York.
No, it's not. Rhode
And the
Island.
answer is, what is New York?
Oh.
All right.
Can I get bird, fish, or mammal for 200, please?
Yes. Emu.
What is a
Thomas.
bird?
That is correct.
so
You control the board.
I did. I will take bird, fish, or mammal for 400, please.
Oh, stupid, Thomas.
Manatee. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is a mammal?
That is correct. You control the board now.
Can I get best picture for 600, please?
The movie famous for the line, "I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody."
You know.
Yes, Thomas.
What is Scarface?
I am sorry, that is
Oh,
incorrect,
no,
Thomas.
it's not.
It's not.
I know what it is now.
All right, no answer. It is what is on the waterfront?
Yeah, it's not Godfather. Can I get bird, fish, or mammal for 600, please?
Yes.
What?
Platypus.
What is a mammal?
And that is correct.
Good job.
You control the board.
I do. I'm going to take it. Let's go with 800.
Birdfish or
Yes.
mammal for 800?
800, please.
Loon. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is a bird?
And that is correct. And you control the board.
Can I
Select a
get
category.
a good category for 200, please?
A good category.
I don't
A
know.
literary term involving the repetition of the initial consonant sounds.
You can go ahead.
Yes, Cheyenne.
What is alliteration?
And you are correct. You control the board.
Can I get states for 1,000, please?
The westernmost state that does not observe daylight savings time.
All yours.
Yes, Thomas.
What is California?
No, that is incorrect. I'm sorry.
It's not.
And the answer is, what is Arizona?
Oh, that's-
Arizona does not have daylight savings time.
Can I get a good category for 600, please?
Yes. The largest type of snake. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is the anaconda?
You are correct. And currently our score is, we have Cheyenne in the lead with 1,800 points. Brittany's in second place with 0 points. And Thomas is trailing us with negative 1,800. And Cheyenne, you control the board.
Can I get best picture for 1,000? Give you a chance.
Thanks.
All right, the best picture of 1980 that features British runners in the 1924 Olympics.
I'm not going to answer this. British runners.
And the answer is, what is Chariots of Fire? So Cheyenne, you continue to control
Can
the
I get
board.
bird, fish, or mammal for 1,000, please?
Blue zebra.
Yes.
Yes, Thomas.
What is mammal?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect, Thomas. Brittany,
What is a fish?
and you are correct. You now control the board.
Shit!
What?
Yeah, it's a fish.
What?
Blue.
All right.
I'll take a good category for 400.
Henry VIII's second wife. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Anne Boleyn?
And you're correct. Very good. You now control the board.
A for 800, please.
The nickname of the American League baseball team that plays in Anaheim. Yes, Thomas.
Nickname of the American Baseball League plays in Anaheim. The Anaheim Angels.
And you are correct.
He
You now
doesn't
control the
know
board.
Let's go. Let's go with A for 1,000.
The country on the continent of Australia that comes last alphabetically. Yes, Thomas.
What is New Zealand?
I'm sorry, this is correct, Thomas.
It's so weird.
Damn. I don't know.
Makes me noise. Okay.
And it's a trick question here. The answer is
Australia.
Australia.
Oh.
Australia is the only country within its.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can I?
I thought it was
Thomas,
bordering
Yes.
around.
You go.
All right,
ahead.
Thomas, you previously controlled the board, so
Let's
you
go with
select a
Shakespeare
category.
for 800.
All right.
Oops.
The town of Shakespeare's birth.
Nope. It's in England. It's in
And the
England.
answer is, what is Stratford on the Avon?
Could you tell us our scores, please?
Yes, and currently our scores are, we
Yes,
have Cheyenne in the lead with 2,200. Brittany's in second place with 1,000, and Thomas trails us with negative 3,000 points.
Oh.
And Cheyenne, you control the
Can
board.
No,
I
I
get Shakespeare
control-
for that? Oh.
I control the board. Thomas controls.
Oh yeah, Thomas does
Yes.
control
Yes,
the board.
you're right.
Sorry.
Thomas controls the board.
All right. Well, Shakespeare for 1,000. Why not?
Oh.
All right, the number of plays written by Shakespeare.
I'm not answering this. 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna answer it because I don't want to get any more wrong.
This is a toughie one now.
7?
It's what is 37 plays?
Oh,
37 plays. All right,
Okay.
Thomas, you control the board.
Best picture for 800, please.
Oh my God.
All right. The Wizard of Oz lost to this movie in 1939. Yes, Brittany.
What is the Sound of Music?
No, I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
I didn't mean to push them back.
All right. Might as well.
Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Gone with the Wind?
And you are correct.
Dang it.
You do not control the board.
It's a different
Sound
play.
of Music.
It's a different
What is
play.
that?
Can I get before and after for 200, please?
The Man in the Yellow Hat's Friend and the 41st President of the United States. Yes, Brittany.
What is George Jefferson?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Right? Bush?
Yes,
What is
Cheyenne.
Curious George Bush?
And you are correct. And you continue to
How am I
control the
gonna
board.
say Jefferson?
Why is this?
Can I get before and after for 400, please?
Okay, I don't want to play this anymore.
The title of the Shakespearean play and the town where Jesus was born.
It's Nazareth.
And the answer is, what is Bethlehem?
Oh.
Macbeth.
So, Cheyenne,
Can I
you
get
can
before and
control the
after
board.
for 600, please?
The second president of the United States and a part of a man's neck. Yes, Thomas.
What is James Adams' apple?
Very close. Dang. You're incorrect. Yes, Cheyenne. sorry.
Who is John Adams' apple?
Yes, John Adams' apple. All right, Cheyenne, you control the board.
Can I get before and after for 800, please?
Where Notre Dame is located and an adventurer played by Harrison Ford.
I should know this. I don't though.
And the answer is, what is South Bend, Indiana Jones?
Yeah.
All right, Cheyenne, you control the board.
Before and after for 1,000?
All right, the author who wrote The Jungle and the first American to win the Nobel Prize for Literature.
This is fun.
And the answer is, who is Upton St. Clair Lewis? All right. And that
Yeah.
concludes our first Jeopardy round.
you say
In the
George
lead,
Jefferson?
we have Cheyenne with 3,800 points. Brittany's in second place with 0 points. And Thomas trails us with negative 3,600 points. So
Yay me.
let's play Double Jeopardy.
I said George
And
Jefferson.
now, Double Jeopardy.
This isn't airing. I hope you know that. This is not airing.
Today's Double Jeopardy categories are
All right, our categories for
Quotes.
Double Jeopardy, we have quotes, physics, technology,
Yay, I'm gonna win.
Olympics, university
Already
cities,
feel it.
and we have borders.
Hoppers.
Now, Thomas trails us, so he selects first.
I'm gonna go with Olympics for 400. Trebek.
All right, the swimmer who won 8 medals at the 2004 Games in Athens.
I don't even know that.
Yes, Cheyenne.
Who is Michael Phelps?
And you're correct. You control the board.
Can I get university cities for 400, please?
University of Wisconsin. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Madison?
And you're correct again.
This is not
And
working.
you control the board.
Can I get university cities for 800, please?
University of
Oh.
Florida. Yes,
What is
Cheyenne.
Gainesville?
And you're correct.
Ouch.
Select the category.
Can I get Olympics for 800, please?
The city who won the bid to host the 2012 Summer Olympics.
Oops. Actually, I don't really know that one.
And the answer is, what is London?
London.
Dang it.
London won the bid.
Okay, can I get university cities for 1200, please?
This one.
Yes. Tulane University. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is New Orleans?
And you're correct. You control the board.
Can I get university cities for 1600, please?
Yes. Syracuse University.
It's in Maine,
No, it's not.
I think.
It's not in Maine.
I don't know.
And the answer here is, what is Syracuse?
Oh,
Simply.
that makes sense. All right.
Might as well. Finish
2000, please.
For university
Yeah.
cities. Gonzaga University.
It's New Mexico. Mexico City.
And the answer is, what is Spokane? Spokane is where
know that.
Gonzaga is located.
Can I get Olympics for 1200, please?
Yes. Olympics for 1200. The country that won the most medals at the 2002 Winter Olympics. Thomas.
What is Canada?
I'm sorry, that's
That is
incorrect.
not right, yeah.
Brittany.
What is the U.S.?
I'm sorry, that's also incorrect.
I don't,
Just guess.
Just
I
guess.
don't want
Yes,
to.
do it.
Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Sweden?
That's also incorrect. The correct answer is the one and only, what is Germany?
Oh, cool.
All
Yeah,
right,
they're cool.
and you
Anyway,
control the board.
quotes for 400, please.
Let's see. Come back.
These are times that try men's souls.
Edward Scott Fowler.
Yes,
Who
Cheyenne.
is Thomas Paine?
And you're correct. Very good. You control the board.
Yeah.
Can I get quotes for 800, please?
Is life so dear or peace so sweet as to be purchased at the price of chains and slavery?
Freaking know the.
Yes,
Who
Thomas.
is Nate Turner? Nat Turner.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry. And this was a quote from Patrick Henry. Who was Patrick Henry?
Okay, can I get
way
physics for 400?
Yes. And we got the daily double. All right, before you wager, we have Cheyenne in the lead here with 5,800.
Jesus.
Brittany's in second place with negative 1,200, and Thomas trails us yet again with negative 5,600 points. All right,
I'm
so
gonna
Cheyenne,
go with 100.
100 points. All right. This man developed his 3 laws of motion in the 17th century.
I don't know. Who is Sir Isaac Newton?
And you're correct.
Oh,
You just beat the
sweet.
buzzer. All right, you control the board.
Can I get Olympics for 1600, please?
The city that hosted the Olympics in 1900 and 1924. And the answer is, what is Paris? Paris.
Can I get
All right.
Olympics for 2000, please?
And the years in which 2 consecutive Olympics were canceled. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is 1942 and 1943?
Very close. It's 1940 and 1944.
Yeah, because
Oh, yes, 4 years apart. Oops.
Good job, Cheyenne.
Thanks.
You're
Wasn't he supposed to let us guess?
Yeah, you're
Yes.
supposed to. Yeah. What is 1940 and 1944?
Yes, that is correct, Thomas.
Hey, Thomas, isn't fair. Oh well.
You control the
Go.
board.
I win. I'll take technology for
I didn't
400,
answer
please.
anything.
All right, the number of bits in a byte.
Megabytes.
Yes, Cheyenne.
1.
That is incorrect.
No, all right.
I don't know.
And the answer here is, what is 8? There are 8 bits in a byte.
Could you tell us our scores again?
No.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'll run through the scores one more time. All right, we have Cheyenne is in the lead with 3,500. Brittany's in second place with negative 1,200. And Thomas
I'm
is
cruising
in
back.
last place with negative 3,600 points.
See that? I'm coming back. I had
And you
5.
control the
I
board.
control
He
the
does.
board.
Thomas
I control it. I will take. Let's go with quotes for 1,200, please.
All right, you got the daily double.
Yes. All right. Let's wager 500.
500 points. All right.
I need to get back in the game.
The mind is first own place and itself can make a heaven of hell and a hell of heaven.
Can I use my
Lifeline.
lifeline? Maybe. I don't know.
The answer is, who is John Milton?
Go.
And you control the board.
I still control the board. Okay. Let's go with technology for 800, please.
The first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Sputnik?
And you're correct. You control the board.
Can I get quotes for 1,600, please?
If you see a fork in the road, take it. And the answer here is, who is Yogi Berra?
Yogi Bear.
Can I get 2,000 or quotes for 2,000, please?
Yes.
Boob.
A fanatic is one who can't change his mind and won't change the subject.
Yeah. This is.
Yeah. And the answer here is, who is Winston Churchill?
Can I get physics for 800, please?
The quantity received when dividing mass by volume. And the answer here is, what is density? Get density.
Can I get borders for 400, please? 400.
France and Portugal. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Spain?
And you're correct. You control the board.
Oh, okay.
Can I get borders for 800, please?
Colombia, Brazil, and Guyana. Thomas.
What is Chile?
That is incorrect. Cheyenne.
What is Peru?
And that is also incorrect. Yes, Brittany.
What is El Salvador?
And that is also incorrect. Our answer here is, what is Venezuela?
Venezuela.
What's so funny about that?
All right, Cheyenne, you control the
Can
board.
I get tech for 1,200, please?
Technology.
What IP stands for?
I don't even know. IP.
Cricket.
And there's no answer. What is
iPod.
Internet Protocol? IP, Internet Protocol.
iPod, maybe?
All right,
Can I
Cheyenne,
get
select the
physics for
category.
1,200, please?
Scalars have magnitude. These have magnitude and direction.
You're going into like technology.
And the answer is here, what are vectors? Vectors have direction and magnitude.
Can I get borders for 1,200, please?
Laos, Cambodia, and China. Yes, Cheyenne.
What is Vietnam?
And you're correct. You control the board.
Borders for 1,600, please.
Poland, Ukraine, Russia, Latvia. Yes.
What is Germany?
Thomas. No, that is incorrect. And the answer here is, what is Belarus? Belarus borders these countries.
2,000, please. Borders.
Algeria and Libya.
Oh. It's in Africa.
Thanks.
No answer. And we have, what is Tunisia? Is our answer.
Great.
All right.
Technology for 1600.
The color in the RGB system that is represented by all zeros. Yes, Brittany.
What is white?
No, I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Is it a color?
Thomas.
All right, Brittany was onto something here. It was actually, what is black?
Yeah.
She just had the other end of the spectrum.
Physics
All
for
right.
1600, please.
The unit for electric current.
Unit.
We're smart.
And the answer here is, what is an ampere? Ampere is electric current. And our score for right now, we have
Hear the scores.
Cheyenne is in the lead with 5,100 points.
Ooh.
Brittany's in second place with negative 3,600 points. And Thomas,
That's
again,
me.
trails us with negative 6,500 points. And Cheyenne, you control the board.
Physics for 2000, please.
Taking the derivative
Derivative.
of velocity results in this. Thomas.
An explosion. What is an explosion?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Yes, Brittany.
What is speed?
Sorry, that is incorrect.
China.
Close.
I'm not going to do that. That's stupid.
The answer was, what is acceleration? Not-
You were close.
Ooh, tech for 2000.
Thanks.
All right, the number of vowels keys on the last row of letters on the keyboard.
Oh, that's
Last as in what?
Yes, Brittany.
What is 0?
And you're correct. And that concludes our Double Jeopardy.
Yep.
We now go into our final Jeopardy round. So again, I'll just run through the scores so you know how much
And
you want to
now,
wager.
Final Jeopardy. Today's Final Jeopardy category
might as well
is
just answer the question.
All right, we have our final Jeopardy category is rivers. So before we wager, I guess, well,
Wager.
since Cheyenne is the only one that's has a
it's-
positive score, she's the only one that really
Can
go.
Yeah, we know. Bye. All right.
Wait, we can't wager anything?
Oh, wow. I know what I'm going
All
to
right. What's the question? I'm gonna wager. What's my score?
It cut it off.
Oops.
I can't see it. It wiped it. All right. So let's play Final Jeopardy, I guess. All right, Cheyenne. Of the 3 rivers in Pittsburgh, the one that comes first alphabetically.
I have no idea. Like, do I write it down?
I did it.
All right, players, let's see your answers. I don't know. And I'm sorry, that's incorrect. All right,
I
Thomas.
wagered $1.
I wagered $1, so
I said the Nile.
the Nile. That's also incorrect, Thomas. Brittany. Amazon. No, that is incorrect. And the correct answer is, what is the Allegheny? River.
Allegheny.
I
That
would
was.
have never gotten that.
And
So,
my wager was
I
$20,000
Cheyenne-
and your life.
Cheyenne is our champion with 5,100 points. Actually, 5,000.
Our Jeopardy winner is...
Is that it?
Yeah.
And I guess that concludes our round of Jeopardy, our game of Jeopardy. Cheyenne is our champion. I'm Peter Alrich. See you next time.